As experts in the field of brain functionality and cognitive performance, we are dedicated to providing you with valuable insights on how to optimize your brain's potential. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the intricate workings of the human brain and explore strategies to enhance cognitive abilities, boost focus, and improve overall mental performance. Understanding the brain, the masterpiece of evolution. The brain is a remarkable organ that serves as the command center of the human body. It controls our thoughts, emotions, and actions, enabling us to navigate through life's challenges and opportunities. Comprised of billions of interconnected neurons, the brain forms complex neural networks that facilitate communication and information processing. Unveiling the science of brain functionality. To comprehend how the brain functions, it is crucial to examine its various regions and their specialized roles. Each area contributes to different aspects of cognition, enabling us to process information, make decisions, and perform tasks efficiently. From the prefrontal cortex responsible for decision-making to the hippocampus involved in memory formation, every brain region plays a vital role in shaping our cognitive abilities. Enhancing cognitive performance, unleashing your brain's potential. As you strive for peak cognitive performance, it is essential to adopt strategies that can optimize your brain's functionality. Here are some proven techniques to unlock your brain's potential. Adopting a healthy lifestyle, engaging in regular physical exercise, consuming a balanced diet rich in nutrients, and prioritizing quality sleep are fundamental for supporting optimal brain function. Mental stimulation and brain training, challenging your brain with new activities, puzzles, and learning opportunities stimulates neural pathways, promoting cognitive flexibility and enhancing memory. Mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness and meditation techniques can reduce stress, improve focus, and cultivate a state of calmness, positively impacting overall brain functionality. Optimizing your environment. Creating a conducive environment free from distractions and clutter can enhance productivity and promote better cognitive performance. Social engagement. Building and maintaining social connections has been shown to have a positive impact on brain health, memory, and emotional well-being. The power of nootropics, unlocking cognitive enhancement. In recent years, nootropics have gained significant attention as potential cognitive enhancers. These substances, often referred to as smart drugs, have properties that can boost memory, focus, creativity, and overall brain function. While there are various types of nootropics available, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating them into your routine. Unraveling the complexities of brain-computer interfaces. Advancements in technology have led to the development of brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, which bridge the gap between the human brain and computers. BCIs hold tremendous potential for revolutionizing fields such as medicine, gaming, and communication. By decoding brain signals and translating them into actionable commands, BCIs can enable individuals with disabilities to regain mobility and independence. The future of brain functionality, exciting possibilities ahead. As our understanding of the brain continues to expand, so does the potential for further advancements in brain functionality. From neuroplasticity and neurogenesis to brain-computer interfaces and artificial intelligence, the future holds immense promise for unlocking the full capabilities of the human mind. In conclusion, understanding the intricate workings of the brain and implementing strategies to optimize cognitive performance can empower you to achieve greater success in various aspects of life. By adopting a holistic approach encompassing lifestyle choices, mental stimulation, and cutting-edge techniques, you can unlock your brain's potential and pave the way for a more fulfilling and accomplished future. Mastering brain functionality, unleashing your cognitive potential. Welcome to an extraordinary journey into the fascinating realm of brain functionality, where we delve deep into the intricacies of the human mind and provide you with invaluable insights to unlock your cognitive potential. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore cutting-edge techniques and strategies that will empower you to outperform the competition and soar to the top of your cognitive game. Unrevealing the mysteries of the human brain. The human brain, an intricate masterpiece of evolution, is a complex network of interconnected neurons that orchestrates our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Understanding its inner workings is the key to optimizing its functionality. Let's dive into the depths of the brain's regions and their specialized functions to uncover the secrets of cognitive excellence. 1. The prefrontal cortex, the command center of decision-making. Situated at the front of the brain, the prefrontal cortex is responsible for high-level cognitive functions, including decision-making, problem-solving, and goal-setting. By harnessing the power of this region, you can enhance your ability to make sound judgments, strategize effectively, and stay ahead of the competition. 2. The hippocampus, the gateway to memory mastery. Nestled deep within the brain's temporal lobes, the hippocampus is crucial for memory formation and retrieval. By implementing memory techniques such as spaced repetition, mnemonic devices, and visualization, you can boost your memory recall, acquire new knowledge rapidly, and effortlessly retain information. 3. The amygdala, emotions and optimal performance. The amygdala, a tiny almond-shaped structure, plays a significant role in processing emotions and influencing cognitive performance. Managing stress and cultivating emotional intelligence through mindfulness practices, deep breathing exercises, and relaxation techniques can empower you to maintain peak cognitive function even in high-pressure situations. 4. The motor cortex, enhancing physical and mental coordination. Located in the rear of the frontal lobes, the motor cortex is responsible for executing voluntary movements. Engaging in physical activities that require coordination, such as dance, martial arts, or sports, not only enhances physical fitness but also strengthens neural connections, leading to improved cognitive performance and mental agility. 5. The visual cortex, harnessing the power of visualization. The visual cortex, situated at the back of the brain, processes visual information and plays a pivotal role in memory, imagination, and creativity. By harnessing the power of visualization techniques, such as mental imagery and guided visualization, you can enhance your ability to generate innovative ideas, improve problem-solving skills, and excel in creative endeavors. The synergy of nutrition and cognitive performance. A well-nourished brain is a high-performing brain. Optimal nutrition is crucial for supporting cognitive function, memory retention, and mental clarity. Incorporating antioxidants, and vitamins, such as blueberries, walnuts, avocados, and leafy greens, can fuel your brain and elevate your cognitive abilities to new heights. Hacking productivity, strategies for laser-focused performance. In today's fast-paced world, productivity is the key to success. Implementing proven productivity hacks, such as time blocking, the Pomodoro technique, and prioritization methods like the Eisenhower matrix, can help you optimize your workflow, eliminate distractions, and achieve peak performance. The power of mindset, cultivating a winning attitude. Your mindset is the foundation upon which success is built. Cultivating a growth mindset, embracing challenges, persisting in the face of setbacks, and fostering self-belief are essential ingredients for achieving cognitive excellence. By adopting a positive and resilient mindset, you can overcome obstacles, expand your abilities, and surpass your expectations. Stay curious, keep learning, the path to continued growth. In the ever-evolving landscape of knowledge, continuous learning is paramount. Engaging in lifelong learning through reading, attending seminars, taking online courses, and seeking out new experiences not only keeps your mind sharp but also opens doors to endless possibilities. Embrace intellectual curiosity, for it is the fuel that propels you toward cognitive mastery. Unlock your brain's potential, the journey begins. Embark on your quest for cognitive supremacy armed with the knowledge and strategies outlined in this comprehensive guide. By implementing these techniques, nurturing a growth mindset, and staying committed to your journey of self-improvement, you will transcend limitations and achieve greatness.